The shield was presented by our respected DRM on 24th February at Hubli during the annual Railway Week celebrations. We have constructed a new reservation complex near the Government Railway Police Station, Vasco. Actually, the earlier building room was very congested and people were not able to be accommodated in that room. That's why we constructed a new building and we have shifted to the new premises from today onwards. Thank you. Actually, this year we have got the Best Maintained Major Station Award of Hubli Division to Vasco. And we are all proud to be a part of the station, and I thank everybody, including the traveling public, for achieving this award. In fact, this is the third award I am getting during my tenure. Earlier once the station was declared as the best maintained major station among the whole of Southwestern Railway. So another occasion in divisional level also we got the same award some 4 years back. Now we are getting back that shield once again.